The famous Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "Associate with those who inspire you to become the best version of yourself." People grow and develop by teaching others. With this principle in mind, let us turn our focus to those whom Stoicism values most highly, individuals who embody Stoic virtues in the face of life, guiding and inspiring us along the way. Type of people number 1, the thoughtful thinker. The thoughtful thinker holds a special place in Stoicism. Why? Because Stoicism is not just about reading or discussing philosophy, but also about internalizing its principles and living according to them. The thoughtful thinker does exactly that, constantly questioning their thoughts and actions, analyzing them, and diving into their depth. Imagine a vast ocean. On the surface, waves crash and winds blow, but deep below, there is calm and serenity. Similarly, while the environment of the thoughtful thinker might be chaotic, they possess an inner peace and a depth that helps them navigate life's storms. They don't simply react to events, instead they contemplate them, understand their emotions, and always choose the best course of action for themselves. So, how does one become a thoughtful thinker? It starts with developing the habit of self-reflection. For example, journaling is a practice many Stoics followed. By writing down their thoughts, they could understand their flaws, make sense of the world, and gain clarity. But it doesn't end with self-reflection. The thoughtful thinker also actively seeks knowledge. They are constantly learning, growing, and evolving. They don't accept information at face value. Rather, they dig deep, analyzing it from multiple perspectives. They approach things critically but without being biased, analytically but without being overly judgmental. The beauty of the thoughtful thinker is that their presence inspires others. Being around them feels like a breath of fresh air. They remind us of the power of taking a step back, pausing before rushing in, and truly understanding ourselves. In our fast-paced modern world, the thoughtful thinker is a symbol of depth and careful consideration. If you have such a person in your life, cherish them, for they bring wisdom, calm, and perspective to the storms of life. And if you aspire to live more stoically, developing this depth of thought is a great place to start. Type of people number 2, people who can endure. In past times, especially during challenging periods, a remarkable group emerges, the group of resilient individuals. These people are not just survivors, they are change-makers who transform obstacles into the foundation of their personal growth. Imagine being lost in an endless desert. While many might succumb to the scorching sun, resilient individuals find hidden springs along the way. They embrace life's trials, viewing every challenge not as a burden but as a valuable lesson. Imagine a professional facing a critical moment in their career. While most perceive it as a confusing crossroads, a resilient individual uncovers endless possibilities. They acquire new skills or use the crossroads as a starting point for pioneering initiatives. When confronted with conflicts or tensions, they avoid harboring resentment and instead choose the path of reflection and adaptation. Their actions resonate with Marcus Aurelius's philosophy, "The obstacle in the way becomes the way." These individuals, despite personal hardships, extend their hands to help others. They are colleagues who, after a career setback, rediscover their professional identity, or community members who turn a personal health struggle into a public health movement. From resilient individuals, we learn that life is not just about enduring challenges, but also about skillfully managing and mastering them. They embody the essence of true endurance, demonstrating the art of resilience and inspiring continuous growth, even when the path appears difficult and uncertain. Type of people number 3, the one who gives proper advice. Amid the realm of human connections within a landscape filled with diverse characters, the honest guide stands out with a unique brilliance. These individuals are always recognized for their fearless honesty, and their words, no matter how difficult, are always filled with compassion and sincere intent. Recall a moment when you were on the verge of a tough decision, feeling lost in confusion. More often than not, it is the voice of the honest guide that cuts through the haze, illuminating the path ahead. They are not mere echo chambers, reflecting back our ideas or offering excessive praise. Instead, they boldly step where others hesitate, encouraging us to push our boundaries. Imagine a young writer sharing her first manuscript with her friends. While many may quickly shower her with praise, the honest guide, recognizing her raw potential, provides thoughtful feedback. They point out areas for improvement, not to discourage her but to pave the way for mastery. Their belief in her talent often surpasses her own self-confidence. Such people are the colleagues in a workplace who diplomatically point out mistakes, ensuring the team delivers work of the highest quality. Within families, they may be elders or relatives who question our life choices with genuine love and care, stemming from a deep sense of concern. It is fitting here to recall Seneca's wisdom. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a person perfected without trials. The honest guide is this essential polishing force. They are gentle, yet influential, helping us shine at our very best. Their honesty is neither harsh nor careless. On the contrary, it is wrapped in kindness and driven by a sincere commitment to our growth. Guided by an unwavering moral compass, these individuals challenge us not to diminish but to elevate us. They shape our perspectives and lead us toward excellence. Type of people number 4, content with little. In an era where value is often measured by abundance and wealth, the contented minimalist offers an alternative path. Their philosophy is not confined to mere possessions. It is a profound understanding that genuine satisfaction arises not from constant accumulation, but from simplicity and purposeful living. Imagine a home, modest and unpretentious, yet radiating tranquility. It is not packed with cutting-edge gadgets or overflowing wardrobes. Instead, it breathes openness, clarity, and meaningful belongings. Each item tells a story, holds a cherished memory, or serves a vital purpose in daily life. This is the sanctuary of the contented minimalist. Imagine a person who, instead of hosting a grand birthday party, opts for a thoughtful celebration. Perhaps they invite a small group for a meditation retreat or share a heartfelt meal at home. The focus shifts from extravagance to genuine connections and treasured experiences. In our fast-paced digital world, these individuals value a handwritten letter more than a fleeting message and savor intimate conversations over bustling gatherings. Their choices reflect a deep understanding of life's essential values, echoing the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. The contented minimalist embodies this belief. Their happiness is not tied to external possessions but nourished by gratitude, simplicity, and intentional living. Their lifestyle teaches us that true joy does not come from the number of things we own, but from the depth of our appreciation. By following the path of the contented minimalist, we come to realize that genuine fulfillment does not stem from endless accumulation. Rather, it blossoms from self-awareness, a grateful heart, and the profound joys found in life's simple, humble moments. Type of people number 5. The empathetic helper. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, there are still rare individuals who radiate warmth and compassion. These are the empathetic individuals, those who go beyond merely observing others' emotions, deeply understanding them and offering support and comfort that transcends words. Imagine a colleague who, amidst a busy work schedule and various meetings, senses when someone's spirit is weakening. They do not approach with intrusive questions or discomforting inquiries. Instead, they draw near with a sincere offer for a conversation or an impromptu coffee break. Their ability to intuitively feel the unspoken emotions of others elevates them to the role of an informal caretaker, preserving the moral support within the group. Picture a neighbor bringing a freshly baked pie to a struggling family going through tough times. Inspired by Seneca's words, "Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness." These empathetic individuals do not merely see these opportunities but cherish and act upon them, weaving a network of comfort and understanding. Their gestures towards others underscore the profound impact of compassion. It is not about grand actions or attention-seeking deeds, but the simple, small acts of kindness that touch the hearts of people. Their actions remind us that true strength lies not in detachment, but in forming genuine connections with others. They use their compassion to heal wounds, inspire others, and bridge divides. Empathetic individuals invite us to transcend our boundaries, and establish heartfelt connections with those around us. Type of people number 6, the always disciplined learner. Among human qualities, the disciplined learner stands out as a symbol of patience. While many people navigate the path of learning with inconsistent steps driven by fleeting motivations, the disciplined learner chooses a path marked by continuous commitment and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. Imagine a peer from school who, despite temporary distractions, carves out sacred moments daily for studying. Their motivation wasn't anxiety-driven exam preparation, but a genuine respect for the subject. Their well-organized notes were not just about achieving academic success, but also a testament to their deep reverence for knowledge. Picture a friend embarking on a new endeavor. While many succumb to waning enthusiasm, the disciplined learner perseveres. Whether perfecting guitar chords or improving fluency in a foreign language, they approach each task with methodical seriousness, understanding that true proficiency is achieved through sustained effort. Professionally, they stand out as those who continuously develop their skills, not just to meet job requirements, but because they are driven by a desire for continuous improvement. They are the ones eagerly attending seminars and always staying at the forefront of their fields. Their journey reflects the profound wisdom of Epictetus. Only the educated are free. The disciplined learner symbolizes this freedom, constantly broadening their intellectual horizons while remaining unshackled by complacency. Their existence emphasizes the importance of consistent effort over intermittent passion. The key here is not to absorb knowledge in erratic bursts, but rather, to make daily growth an integral part of life by steadily nurturing it. Through their actions, the disciplined learner powerfully demonstrates that the pursuit of knowledge is not a temporary endeavor, but a lifelong journey, where joy is found not only in reaching the pinnacle of understanding, but also in the journey itself. Type of people number 7, the lover of every moment of life. The person who loves every moment of life emerges as a breath of fresh air in a society where multitasking is praised and planning for the future is highly valued. These individuals stand out with their ability to truly live in every moment of their lives. Imagine a close friend who, during a conversation, gives you their full attention. They forget their surroundings, and their gaze remains firmly on you without ever wavering. They engage so completely that every minute feels like an hour. It's not about how much time has passed, but the depth of the connection created. Amid daily responsibilities, think of parents who take time to genuinely connect with their children. Their minds are not drifting to unfinished tasks or unanswered emails. Instead, they fully immerse themselves in the world of imagination, cherishing the beautiful moments of their children's youth. In the embrace of nature, the person who loves every moment of life is the one who pauses with enthusiasm to appreciate the fleeting beauty of a sunset. They immerse themselves in its vibrant palette, allowing its serenity to envelop them and experience its transient magnificence in full. Marcus Aurelius wisely advised not to focus on the panorama of what was or what might be, but to anchor oneself in the present moment. The person who loves every moment of life embodies this wisdom, understanding that while life stretches across the past, present, and future, its most vivid colors are painted in the immediacy of the now. Their approach highlights that while planning for the future has its value, and reflecting on the past offers lessons, the most captivating moments of life unfold in the present. By deeply feeling the worth of each moment, they not only find the deepest joys in life's fleeting instances, but also invite others to free themselves from the burdens of the past and the anxieties of the future, encouraging them to revel in the magnificent beauty of the present moment. As we recommend exploring the revered individuals highlighted by Stoicism today, it is important to note that it is crucial to internalize what they teach us, rather than just observing from afar. We should strive to adopt and reflect the values they represent. These individuals are beacons that illuminate the Stoic virtues we wish to cultivate within ourselves. Here, look at your own relationships and encounters in life. Do such influential individuals exist in your life? Ask yourself, are you playing the role of an inspiring figure for others? Remember, Stoicism is not just about self-improvement. It encourages spreading positivity and wisdom to the broader community. If today's discussion has left an impression on you, I invite you to delve deeper and share your thoughts, stories, or personal journeys in the comments. Could you be one of these guiding figures? If not, ponder on what might be holding you back. Until we meet again, try to bring the Stoic virtues they represent into your own life.